I know, chooka. You're molting, so you have lots of new feathers. Trying to chooka your new feathers without hurting the new ones. Sorry. I know, it hurts when I hit the really little tiny ones. You're so cute. I'll try not to hurt you. You're such a cutie. What a good bird. Let's see if I can find some really big ones that are ready to be peeled. No, I mean there's that little guy right there is not ready to be peeled yet. It's only about halfway grown. Yep, there's another great big one. That one's only about halfway too. Alright. So, you're going to have to wait for me to peel those big ones. In the meantime, I'll just give you a general overall head massage, which you usually appreciate. What a good bird. Oh, there's a tiny little one right there. Tiny little feather. Nope, not ready to be peeled yet. You're so cute.